What is up, everybody, and welcome to the vlog session for the channel today. We are on a 23-hour road trip to Texas from Maryland. So I got everything from my storage unit, 10 by 20. I had my car in there, and I fit everything else beside. Well, I fit everything in a 15-foot U-Haul and had plenty of space still. I got my car, towing it back here. I've only been driving for about 35 minutes. I still got a good 22 and a half hours to go. But I figured I would give you guys a nice vlog of my way down. Show you how much you can fit in the storage unit, because I don't have a lot of stackable stuff. I have a lot of mechanical parts, differentials, rear ends, floor pans, and stuff like that that is not stackable. But I found a way to do it. And I still have space in the 15-foot. And also, it's easier than you would think to drive the U-Haul. I mean, I am in the military and I drive big vehicles on a regular, but the only hard part about this is backing up, and you get the hang of it eventually. But anybody could drive these things. It's very simple. I mean, I'm not going over 60 miles an hour because I don't want the trailer to fishtail. But besides that, it's great. It's smooth sailing. I wish I had cruise control though. I got all my snacks in here in the bag and a few of my stuff that I wanted in the vehicle, but everything else is in the back. So I figure I'll just give you guys an update every few cities. So I'm driving straight through Tennessee, Knoxville, Nashville, and then I can't remember the last one, the last city at the end of Tennessee before I get into Arkansas. And go through Arkansas to Texas. But yeah, I'll try to keep you guys updated every hour or so, give you guys an update. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. And welcome back. As you can see, it is light out now. We are currently in Virginia. I do not know how far away we are from Tennessee, but it is just beautiful out here. You just got mountains everywhere. And we are cruising at a good 60, 64 miles an hour right now. You're not supposed to go above 55, but my trailer is not moving left to right, so we will continue on. We have 19 hours and 45 minutes, 1,350 miles left. We were 1,500 and something when we left at 6-ish. So we're making, oh, my ears just popped. Elevation change, everybody. This is why I love driving. You get to go see places like this, just driving through the beautiful mountains. Alright guys, I will probably tune in right before I hit Tennessee if I can remember. But if not, next video, I will be in Tennessee, guys. Everyone, everybody, look at it. Look at them. Oh, they're everywhere. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful Shenandoah Valley there. Ah! Taking a little stop. Got to get some gas. Figured I'd check up on everything, but I just passed Roanoke, Virginia. I think I'm getting close to the edge, but nothing moved in here. Everything stayed exactly where I left it, which is good. $3,000 PC still secure. All my expensive car parts up there. Let's check this. You just gotta do that every 200 miles or so. Just give it one crank, it moves a little bit. But besides that, everything is good. Just needed a little break for gas and food and water, guys. I'll keep in touch. The moment for the vlog. As you can see, we have just left Virginia. We are now in Tennessee, everybody. Let's go! 16 hours to go, so we made it into Tennessee in a solid 7.5 hours. From Southern Maryland all the way to Virginia. Oh, there's a big Bass Pro Shops up there. Sheesh! It doesn't feel any different, you know? Actually, it actually feels different here in Tennessee. The land looks different. But anyways, I'll update you guys once we get to a major city like Nashville or something like that. And keep on the journey. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the next intermission session of whatever driving. So we passed Nashville 30 minutes ago. We're on 40 West. We got 108 miles to go on 40 West. Figured I wanted to give you guys an update on gas prices that I've gone and how many miles I've been able to go. So I've gone, we had a little bit over 1,500 miles. Now we're down to 931, so almost 600 miles I've gone. Just filled up the tank. I've put $250 worth of gas in this thing to go 600 miles. So you're looking at not terrible gas prices if you're doing it yourself, but it's something you definitely got to account for, especially if you're paying out of pocket like I am. So I'm paying all the gas with my debit card until the government reimburses me for this trip. But yeah, I mean, traffic, I haven't had any problems with traffic except in Nashville. And this is the only other time that we're slowing down is right here. But besides that, this is smooth sailing. We're supposed to get a little rain here shortly, and it's supposed to continue on till early morning, I believe. But yep, update for the gas, and I'll try to get to you guys right before I end this trip for today, because I think I'm gonna go till 8 o'clock tonight. That's how many hours is that? That's 14 hours today, and I'll do 10 hours tomorrow to finish up the trip. That way tomorrow's a little easier. The only thing I have now is a slight back pain and a mild headache. But besides that, I'm honestly good to go. It's been pretty easy. So, I'll catch y'all later. Sorry, that's probably too soon. Update, everybody. We are now in Nashville in traffic. Not terrible traffic. Oh, that's a terrible bump, though. As you can see, city is everywhere. I do not like this. I do not like this, Sam. I am. 12 hours to go. But I'm only going to, I'm trying to cut it down to 10 hours for tomorrow. So that's the goal. But this is the worst part so far, going through Nashville. I'm sure Memphis is going to be a little better, but still bad. But it shouldn't be, because I'm going to be there at like 5 in the morning. So I don't think there's going to be many people. But this sucks. Parts of driving that I hate. Alright, peace out, y'all. Update, guys. We're at a rest stop. You probably can't see nothing because it's dark out here. It's late. I made it so I have 10 hours left for the entire trip in the morning. I'm probably gonna leave at 4 in the morning so I get there right in the afternoon. But yeah, I'm too tired to drive anymore. So 15 hours is a lot. 14 hours. So yeah, peace out. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Oof. It was a rough night's sleep in this U-Haul, not gonna lie. I was very uncomfortable, but I finally fell asleep. Just woke up, and we are continuing the road trip, boys. We have 10 hours and 9 minutes to go. And it's 4 o'clock, so we should get there about 2 in the afternoon, everybody. A little after 2. Probably 3 o'clock. So, yeet. I will see you guys in Memphis or Arkansas. Peace out. What's up, everybody? We are now crossing the Mississippi River. Oh, shoot! Look at that, boys! We are now entering Arkansas, the natural state. Buckle up for safety, y'all, because there's fog everywhere, but shoot! Look at that water. Oh yeah, that's right, I can't see none of it. But hell yeah, we made it. Now we only gotta go into Texas. I will see y'all when it's light out. Oh my God. On the road again. We're really close to Texas-Arkansas line right now, boys and girls. I mean, we're crossing the Arkansas River right now, so give you guys a little peek of that. Look at all that water. Look at all that water. Water. Both sides, I'm surrounded. So does this mean on the other side I'm in Texas? Just like Arkansas when we crossed the Mississippi? We're about to find out. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think so yet. I think I got a few miles. Don't worry, I'll get it. I'll get it when we're going into Texas on video for you. I ain't forgetting. Cause shoot, that is the best part of the ride, knowing that you have gone to the next state. You're... I'll let y'all know when I get in Texas. I'll record again. Update. I was not close to Texas yet. It was a lie. I am 109 miles away. Texas, Arkansas line. So I still got an hour 40, guys. And yeah, well, I'll let y'all know when I get to Texas. Just giving all the updates, let you know that once you see Texarkana, it doesn't mean there. I got a while to go. Texas, we are in Texarkana now. Oh, it's crazy, dog. Thought that was going to say Texas, but it didn't. So how close are we to Texas then? We gotta be right there. Anyway, we almost there. We got under 5 hours and 337 miles to go. Let's go! Catch you when the sign says Texas next time. Sign, it came out of nowhere. We're in Texas now. There's a truck in the way, so I couldn't see it, and I tried to turn my record button on in time. It didn't happen. But we are in Texas now, everybody. I'm sorry I missed the sign. Can't confirm that I'm in Texas now, but anybody who's driven this route before, you know where I'm at. So, peace. I'll catch you guys. I don't know when I'm going to stop next. Probably for gas. I don't know if I'll record or not. See ya. Texas, we're crossing the Lake Ray Hubbard. Lake Ray Hubbard here. If you didn't know Texas has all this water, it does! Surprise! I haven't passed this before. But we're close to Dallas. We're like 20 minutes away from Dallas at the max, I think. Probably over this water, to be honest, but I figured this is some pretty scenic views, so I hit the record button for y'all. Instead of me just cruising along this and not just pause, drop some content so everyone can see. Texas is not just a desert. It has lakes and rivers and fishing for days. So yeah, if I drive through Dallas, which I probably will, I'll make sure I hit the record button for you guys as well. Peace out. Oh, voice crack. Little update for you guys. I just got onto the highway to go to Waco. I think the governor started working in this thing. It will not let me go over 70 miles an hour now. So, maybe what people's claims were not able to go on a certain speed were correct, but it just started in Texas. I was driving 16 hours at 80 miles an hour at the fastest I went, and now it wants to work. I'm full throttle all the time. This is how fast it goes. I'm going up a hill right now, so that's normal, but even going down hills, I cannot go faster than 70 miles an hour. So I said, that's something I want to bring to my attention, because if I had that going down the whole way, my trip would have been 3 hours longer. 100% would have been 3 hours longer. So hopefully y'all's doesn't do this, but I think this is on the y'all's. Don't know why it chose now to pick up and start working, but it is what it is. We only got 2 hours left, or under 2 hours now, so I can deal with it. I'll see you guys at the finish line now. Well, we are in Waco, and we're just passing McLean Stadium over there, and it's city life now, boys. City life. And, things are starting to break. The wrench light's been on since 200 miles in, but Check engine light just came on, so now I'm just babying this thing there. I don't want anything to break on me. But the wind is bad here, so this thing was definitely starting to fishtail. I was like, nah, we're not doing that. 60 miles an hour, let's cruise. Because I got 28 minutes to get to the final weigh station, and then I'm like 15 minutes from the storage unit at that point. So, final stretch, let's go! Way back, boys! Oh yeah! The road trip is over. Well, not really. We still have some other stuff to figure out, but we are on Fort Hood now, boys and girls. Back to what feels like home, I guess. We're gonna go drop the vehicle off, unload the stuff that's in here, and my computer in the back, because I don't want a $3,000 computer staying in here. Call me whatever, vicious or whatnot, but I don't want $3,000 of a computer sitting in the back where it could get hot, it could be cold. I'd rather not. So we still got to get this vehicle weighed. I know I'm taking some weight out, but all the weigh stations are closed because it is New Year's Day. So it is what it is, and we're just gonna have to deal with it tomorrow. But this probably is gonna be the end of it. I don't see the need to show you guys anything more than this. So peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog and learned some stuff. That don't get a broken U-Haul. I mean, I didn't know I'll get a broken one, but I made it here, so that's all that matters. Peace out, yo. Set me free.